Yeah, I had actually just watched this cloud that was over the houses disappear because I started binding and it kind of vanished again. I'm still up. There's the water tower straight ahead. I already walked down there and said a few prayers. This is just the most gorgeous thing. Oh, I'm so grateful. You're not going to get around there now. And then there's like a winery that's up over to the left. Over there. Well, it's not a winery, it's a vineyard, but you get the idea. Oh, this is the most precious right here. Hi, little sweetheart. Hi. Hi, baby. Yes, little sweet birds. Oh, this is so wonderful today, guys. I just really am grateful. That's Rattlesnake Mountain over there in the background of the water tower. That would be over towards Canada, where I'm aiming at now. North. Well, I mean, that's not Canada, but you know, you get the idea. That's where I'm aiming north now. You see, once I can't really see because the sun's behind me and it glares on my display. And those mountain ranges that you notice out, like I said in the other videos, those are the Blue Mountains. I can't wait till I get an actual camera. This Samsung sucks. I don't care. Whatever you guys do, don't fall in for the pitch of any sound. I mean, I didn't fall for the pitch either. I thought what was going to be a good phone. And I'm sorry, but Samsung sucks. My LG 4 blows circles around this camera and this phone. The ringtones suck. There's not even a notification when the battery's fully charged. For $700, they don't even put it into the phone. Will let you know when it's charged. Is that crazy? That's crazy. Anyway, I don't start rattling along. I just wanted to make this video so you guys could see the beauty that's going on right now. This is beautiful. I live for this. The beautiful big blue. Yeah. Created by Yeshua. The big blue created by Yeshua. Yeah. The way it's supposed to be. All blue and beautiful. Hallelujah. All right, take care.